Dutch Bros Coffee, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Dutch Bros Coffee. Dutch Bros Coffee is one of the fastest-growing drive-thru coffee chains in the United States, specializing in handcrafted coffee, energy drinks, teas, and smoothies. The company was founded in 1992 in Grants Pass, Oregon by brothers Dane and Travis Boersma. Dutch Bros earns money by selling beverages through drive-thru kiosks, mobile ordering, and branded merchandise. Their mission is to serve great drinks with a fun, energetic customer experience, and their vision is to expand across the U.S. while keeping their unique culture alive. Are you wondering if a Dutch Bros coffee franchise is right for you? In this video, we will give you key information about Dutch Bros Coffee, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Dutch Bros coffee franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Dutch Bros Coffee operates on a franchise system, but opportunities are limited. Most new stores are company-owned, and franchise rights are mainly given to long-time employees. Franchisees run their own drive-thru coffee stands under the Dutch Bros brand, following strict standards for service and culture. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of about $3,000, plus ongoing royalties of 5% and marketing fees of 2% of gross revenue. Support from Dutch Bros Coffee. Franchisees receive training, operational support, and marketing materials. The brand emphasizes culture, customer service, and community involvement.
Anecdote. The very first Dutch Bros stand was built out of a pushcart in Oregon, serving espresso to locals, and quickly became a community favorite.
2. Entry costs for Dutch Bros Coffee. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $15,000 to $5,000 depending on location and size. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit is around $900,000 to $12,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $28,000 to $24,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Dutch Bros location in Arizona hit $1,000,000 in sales during its first year thanks to a strong following among college students.
3. Step-by-step, how to register a Dutch Bros Coffee franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete interviews, review the franchise disclosure document (FDD), and sign the agreement. Dutch Bros prioritizes applicants who have worked for the company. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $5,000 and liquid assets of $15,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. Many Dutch Bros franchisees started as baristas. One operator in Idaho worked for 10 years before earning the chance to open their own stand.
Taxes and fees in Dutch Bros Coffee. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Some states may also charge industry-specific fees for beverage permits. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Dutch Bros charges 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and community events.
Anecdote. One Dutch Bros in California used its local marketing budget to sponsor a charity run and gained 800 new loyalty app signups in a single weekend.
Pay. Hiring employees in Dutch Bros Coffee. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Dutch Bros location needs from 20 to 30 employees, including baristas, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Dutch Bros' e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. Dutch Bros is famous for its energetic culture. One franchisee in Nevada trained their team with dance routines during shifts, creating a fun atmosphere that boosted customer loyalty.
Tier 6. Dutch Brothers Coffee. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly, ingredients and resources. $8,000 to $15,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $15,000 to $28,000 including wages, insurance and bonuses, rent and utilities. $4,000 to $8,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $1,200 to $3,000 covering property, liability and workers' comp, maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $2,000 for repairs, cleaning and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $1,800 to $3,500 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $2,500 to $4,500 per month including sales and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Dutch Bros in Oregon served over 5,000 drinks during a free coffee day promotion, creating lines so long they wrapped around the block.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Dutch Bros Coffee help its franchisees? Key information, initial training. Franchisees and managers attend a multi-week onboarding program covering beverage preparation, customer service, inventory and financial management, operational support. Each franchisee is supported by regional consultants who provide ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly reviews and access to proprietary systems, e-learning platform. Dutch Bros offers a digital training system for baristas, including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Dutch Bros also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: one Dutch Bros in Utah trained its team with the e-learning platform and won Best Drive-Thru Experience in its region within 3 months.
I8 Franchise inspections in Dutch Bros Coffee. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Dutch Bros Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, drink quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote: a Dutch Bros in Oregon passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Bean Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
Profitability of Dutch Bros Coffee. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues around $900,000 to $12,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, net earnings typically range from $8,000 to $24,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 20%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, youth-focused culture, impulse-driven purchases, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, colleges, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote: one Dutch Bros in Arizona broke even in just 36 months, thanks to a location near a university and a drink of the day promotion that boosted repeat visits by 25%.
10. Dutch Bros Coffee in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Dutch Bros operates over 850 locations across the U.S., making it one of the fastest-growing drive-thru coffee chains. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through digital ordering, loyalty programs, and new formats like mobile kiosks. In 2025, Dutch Bros added 40 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and energy efficiency. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Starbucks, Dunkin', and local coffee shops have impacted margins. Dutch Bros responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and community-focused promotions. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. drive-thru coffee market is projected to grow from $35 billion in 2025 to $45 billion by 2030, CAGR 5.2%.
Anecdote: in 2025, Dutch Bros launched its first Dutch Express concept in a college town, and saw a 30% increase in morning traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Dutch Bros coffee franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition in the drive-thru coffee segment. Youth-focused culture and loyal customer base. T. Fast-growing footprint in the western U.S. T. Strong community engagement and charity programs. Cons. G. Limited geographic presence compared to Starbucks or Dunkin'. B. High initial investment for drive-thru build-outs. Operational intensity with high-volume service. D. Franchise opportunities are restricted and not widely available.
Anecdote: One franchisee in Oregon said, "Dutch Bros isn't just coffee, it's culture, energy, and community. That's what keeps customers coming back."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment, review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Dutch Bros owners. Attend Discovery Day, and read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Dutch Bros' training, tech, and marketing support with other coffee brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a smoothie brand until they saw Dutch Bros' energy drink margins and realized coffee was the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Dutch Bros Coffee franchise for, and is it worth investing? Dutch Bros Coffee is ideal for entrepreneurs who love fast-paced service, youth-driven culture, and a proven drive-through model. With average annual revenues around $900,000 to $12,000 and profit margins from 12% to 20%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the coffee drive-through category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $15,000 to $5,000 and Dutch Bros enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Dutch Bros is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and crave-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve flavorful drinks, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Dutch Bros in California broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 6,800 drinks and 400 gallons of cold brew in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Bob Evans. Is Bob Evans a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.